Got to record it for the YouTubes. All right, here we go. Now we're ready. Get focus here. Damon Harris. Jared Goff. What we got here? Straight out the gate. Number to 149. Dalvin Cook. Vikings. Devontae Parker. Let me hold on. Let me see. I gotta put this light on. The lighting's still messed up. Sorry. Antonio Gibson. Yeah, Goff it. Lions card now. It seems really damn dark though. TJ Watt. T. Higgins to 299. Myles Garrett, seal of approval. Baker Mayfield. Calvin Ridley. We get dummied. No, we got one here. Oh, who we got here? NG4. Bears hit. Jimmy hit again. There it is. He called it in the chat. He called it. He called it before this even happened. Let's go, baby. Not the auto, but what a sick patch that is, huh? Jimmy with the blue Justin Fields to 99. Oh my God. And look at that patch. Let's go, man. We're starting out on fire, just like we did, like we ended it. Mr. Fields has been pulled. Yes, sir. Justin Fields. He didn't get one last time. He got the fridge. That fridge card was really nice too. The heat continues. Yes, sir. Nick Chubb, stars. It's the Michael Jackson. It has to be. Has to be. Russell Wilson, Jalen Rager. Let's go, man. First, within the first two packs, or what was it? First two packs? Yeah. Jerry Jeudy, best receiver in the league. Let's go. Oh, here we go here. What we got here? RCSTE. Jags. Etienne Jr. God damn it. Hey, Jim, what is going on, man? Holy hell. Jim has the juice. He knows what damn boxes the Jags are in, man. This guy, oh my goodness. What a box already. First three packs of the night, and look what we got going on here. To 99, Travis Etienne Jr., Jags. Let's go, baby. Move this thing over. Jim Hackett, he has to be, man. He has to be. He was off of he was off on the break that we hit the Trey Lance. He was off on that one. He comes back and he hits this. He has the cheat codes, man. T. Higgins. It was so fire, it knocked the camera out of focus. T. Higgins. JJ. A year too late for Marcos. Still. Holy hell. Gronk on the back. Oh, we got some color in here. And a thick one. Jimmy G. What we got here? Oh, upside down. I had it right the first time. Here we go. Rookie. Browns. SW cards. Felton to 199. And we got a dummy card behind it. What is I'm sorry, I still slacked off. I've been so busy like with a bunch of other stuff trying to set up, things around that. I still haven't, I don't know the official name of the parallels, but this is pink. Pink to 199. We need some better vibes, Mike. Let me get this. Boom. James Robinson. Graffiti. I thought that was a Jags card behind it. I saw a little bit of it, and I was like, Jim did it again. Carson Wentz and Gronk. 5 packs to go. Use code JC. Hey, you did that. Oh, what we got here? Darius Slayton, Patty Mahomes, Chiefs to 249. Seal of approval, Barkley, Saquon Barkley to 75. That's a nice card there. The G-Man. Come on, focus up. Patty Mahomes to 249. It's like a bronze. This is a nice card here, though. To 75, Saquon Barkley blue. Seal of approval. Did Mac? No, Dizzle grabbed the Giants. Hey, Matt, if you're in here, took the wrong break off. Dizzle with the hit. Giants. Saquon, 75. Chase Young. Nick Chubb. Another thick boy here. Lamar Jackson. Oh, what we got here? Here we go. Number 237. 237, a Patriots hit. Uh-oh, here we go, baby. Oh. Stevenson. So close, but yet so far away. Wow, what a patch. 4-color patch. Rahamdre Stevenson. Patriots to 299. Wrong Patriot. Still a really nice looking card. That would have been a sick Mac Jones. I did too. Patty Mahomes. Stars. Matt Ryan. AJ Brown. Man, the Titans have a pretty lethal wide receiver core. Oh, we got another thick pack. We already got 2 autos. Remember the last box we had last break? It was the last break. It had 3 autos in it. See if we can do it again. We got something. NG2 Jets. Uh-oh. Jets hit. Here we go, baby. Zach Wilson to the Jets. Who grabbed the Jets? Land B cards. Boom. Zach Wilson to 299. New generation. There we go. What you want to see. What a box, though, huh? Let's see. And we got a gold team, Aaron Donald, and a Jalen Hurts behind him. Great box. Yeah, it was a firebox so far. Still a couple packs left. Look at that. Jalen Hurts and Joey B right behind him. I'm invested a little bit in Joey B, so I want to see him do good. Two packs to go. First box. Jonathan Taylor on the back. Deshaun Watson on the front. There we go. Panthers hit Tommy Tremble to 149, followed by a Jalen Hurts graffiti card. Panthers hit. Nice looking card. Jalen Hurts graffiti. You like that, Marcos? Kirk Cousins. Jonathan Taylor. Let's go. Last pack of the first box. What a box. And we got a thick boy, probably a dummy. CeeDee Lamb. Cross check. Dummy. There's your C-Mac Dark Horse. Devin White. Derek Carr. Good first box. All right. Empty box. Here we go. Let's see if you guys had it right this time again. Get these vets up here. Out the way. Halfway done with the night. Come on, baby. Let's keep it going. What was it, number 2? Oh, you weren't here. Check it out. The 99, man. What a card. Here, we need to move this to the front. 2 quarterbacks in that one. Not the autos, though. Would have loved to see it. But let's get into it. Tyreek. Browns hit again. Anthony Schwartz to 25. It's the gold one. Browns. Anthony Schwartz. Who grabbed the Browns? SW cards. Hey, he used code DOGPOUND. I remember that. I remember that one. Dog Pound coming in strong. 2 hits already. That's a nice card there. Nice hit. Let me this guy up here for you. A little Kyler Murray graffiti. George Kittle and Zeke. It feels like Zeke's going to have a good year this year. Jags on the back. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. DK Metcalf. What we got here? Where we at? Oh, it's the G-Men, I think. Giants. Number 12. Tony the Tiger. To 249. Kadarius Toney. Come on. There we go. New generation. That's a second. Well, I think the Giants had a hit already too, huh? Yeah, Dizzle grabbed that one. There we go. I don't have any room. Devontae Adams. Sam Darnold. The other Josh Allen. I guess let me put this guy here. What's going on with the music? Come on, Mike. Got to be up to something here. Daniel Jones, Danny Dimes. Here we go, baby. Orlando Pace, Rams hit. Here we go to 10. What a cart. Hall of Famer. The Rams. Hey, one of the last teams off the board. Hey, Crimmy, here you go, buddy. 7 of 10 on the rack. Mr. Orlando Pace. One of the best linemen to ever do it. You got to be up to something, huh? Number to 10. Amari Cooper still have approval. J.J. Watt. Herbert. Hey, we pulled the case hit of Montgomery last time. J.K. Dobbins. And we got a Eagles. Kenneth Gainwell to 199 pink. Followed by a dummy card. The rack is in full effect, Jimbo. Alvin Kamara. I think I've seen somebody in the chat say you're going to get a C-Mac and Alvin Kamara. And yeah, sure enough, here you go. Dark Horse, C-Mac and a Stars, Kamara. Jonnu Smith. Holy hell, we're out of focus. David Montgomery. Oh, sorry. Rookie move. Bang the damn camera. Here's a thick boy. Here we go. Let's get a good one here, huh? Let's go. Josh Allen. Zach Wilson, another one to 399. Wasn't expecting that in the dummy card. There we go. Nice little Zach Wilson. Jets with 2 Wilsons today. Yeah, I don't think I pulled. No, I pulled a graffiti Wilson out of the last 4 boxes that I opened of this stuff. There's only 1 graffiti Zach Wilson. We're already at 2 in these last 2 boxes. Browns, Nick Chubb, Roquan Smith, Big Ben. We got one more auto lurking somewhere, I think, or 2. Miles Sanders. Upside down. Alvin Kamara. What we got here? Upside down again. Do the twist. Here we go. Seal of approval. Alvin Kamara. Wow. Back to back Alvin Kamara. This one numbered to 199 and a C-Mac right behind him. Alvin Kamara and C-Mac are coming in hot. Cortland Sutton. The last 4 packs of the night. Here's a thick one. Let's go. RPA. Somebody. Michael Pittman Jr. Oh, I've done. Hey, we did it again. We found him again. Semi Feheko. 299. We pulled the RP of this guy last time too. Cowboys. Who grabbed the Cowboys? Corey. There you go. Feheko. Dak Prescott. Amari Cooper and LaMichael Pirine. All right, here we go. Tampa Tom. What we got here? Holy shit. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Broncos, baby. Javonte Williams. Here we go. Homer favorite. Boom. To 199. Come on. Focus up. Mr. Javonte Williams. All bias aside, I really hope this kid does some good for us. We need a really good run game, I think, to take a lot of the pressure off of our quarterback situation. So hopefully he pans out. Come on, camera. Stay in focus for me. There we go, Javonte Williams. Seal of approval, JJ. Jeff Okudah. And Matthew Stafford. The final 2 packs of the night. Cam Newton. There's a Clyde Edwards-Helaire. And boom, Jake Funk, number to 75, team color. For the Rams. Hey, the rack is in effect, Jim. The rack is in full effect. Mr. Funk to 75. AJ Brown. Austin Eckler. Scam Newton. We're down to the final pack of the night. Thank you guys for all the support. Dolphins skunk. Hey, we got 1 pack left. Aaron Rodgers. Let's go, baby. Oh my gosh. Dalvin Cook to 99. Vikings. Yes, the Dolphins did skunk. I'm sorry, ACAB. I appreciate the support though. You know, eventually it's got to hit, right? Dalvin Cook to 99. Justin Herbert gold team. Mr. Claypool and Robbie Anderson. All right, let's get into a little recap here. We got some nice ones tonight. I don't think I missed anything in here. Graffiti cards. Come on, focus up. Jesus. Tommy Treble, Panthers hit to 149. Saquon Barkley to 75. Hold on, let me go ahead and pause this so we don't even. Saquon Barkley to 75. Patty Mahomes to 249. Dalvin Cook to 99. Mr. Funk, Rams, 75. Javonte Williams, New Generation patch to 199. Simi Feheko, Cowboys hit to 299. RPA. Alvin Kamara to 199, seal of approval. Zach Wilson, 399. Kenneth Gainwell, Eagles to 199. Rahamdre Stevenson, Patriots, RPA to 299. Kadarius Toney to 249, New Generations for the Giants. Anthony Schwartz to 25, Browns. The Browns again, Dimitri Felton to 199. Bengals, 299, T. Higgins. Orlando Pace, Hall of Fame card, number to 10, 7 out of 10, Rams. Mr. Zach Wilson, Jets, 299. Jags hit again to 99, rookie roll call, Travis Etienne Jr. And a really cool looking patch here, Justin Fields, the Bears to 99. I want to thank you all for coming out again. I'm going to get these all packed up for you. Look for tracking in your inboxes, or the email actually gets sent out to you guys now. We have number 22 up and running. We still have some spots up there. I think we have like 20 teams to go on that one. I'm working on getting some Don Russ lined up. If you guys are interested in that, it's going to be a fun week. Thank you guys for coming out. Support. Hope you guys had a good time. Good night.